Hi, it's Bob Russo with Avid. We have a bunch of exciting new features in Media Composer 3.5. First thing we'll talk about is AMA. That stands for Avid Media Access. With 3.5, we've added native support for XDCAM HD, EX, and P2 cards. So the folder structure, the native cards or native folder structure is actually supported inside of Media Composer. No rewrap or transcodes required at all, ever. You can leave the cards in that structure and use them right from there. So that includes adding metadata. So if you use any of the logging software, be it the clip browser software for XDCAM EX or the P2 content management software for P2, you can add metadata using that software, and that metadata will come through with Media Composer. In addition, we added native stereoscopic editing. So we use a piece of software called Metafuse, and you can actually combine the stereo clips into a single file, and Media Composer software alone can literally edit and display stereoscopic images with Media Composer. So Metafuse can do a number of things. It also can transcode the R3D files into Avid media files for an offline. So we have an offline HD codec, transcode the red files into DNX36 for the offline edit, and Avid DS1011 is native support for the R3D files. So you can have your offline Media Composer and conform in DS with the native red files. So along with native support for the XDCAM EX and HD folder structure, we've also added rendering the XDCAM HD codecs, both XDCAM 50 megabit and XDCAM EX 35 megabit native codec in the Media Composer. So you no longer have to render to a non-XDCAM codec for any of your work. You can render right to the Sony XDCAM codecs inside the Media Composer.
Hi, my name is Gil Gowing. I'm an application specialist with the Pro Audio division of Avid. And today I'm going to be taking you through one of our new technologies that we have that's new to our HD video and audio workflow. And that is a new technology we have called Satellite Link. And the Satellite Link allows us to connect multiple systems, either up to 5 Pro Tools HD systems or 4 Pro Tools systems and a single Media Composer system together with an Ethernet cable and have near sample accurate lock of the transport. So a little bit of how this works: you basically have an Ethernet cable connecting our computers up together, and over here on this screen, which there's a little bitty green icon on the Media Composer saying that this system's now in satellite lock. Once we have every system online, we can now start to shuttle our transport around in Pro Tools, and our Media Composer is following right along with that. We can actually create a selection, hit play, and we're going to be in loop playback with the audio system, and our video loops right around with the audio system in perfect sync. So it's not a real complex setup, but it's a very needed technology in this new workflow.
Hi, I'm Bruce Jones from Avid Technology, and today we're showing off the Avid AirSpeed Multistream. The Multistream is a 4-channel device which does long GOP workflows and SD workflows today. We're showing it, displaying right now 16 channels. It could be a combination of 2 ingest, 2 output, 4 ingest, 4 output. It's a very configurable unit. It allows us to continue our workflow for the Sony XDCAM long GOP, where we ingest, use it in the editor, and then output in the same file format. This is an example of the AirSpeed Multistream user layout. It can be accessed directly or can be accessed over a network through a VNC or remote desktop. It shows off your 4 playout or ingest channels. It also shows your database. We use a single database that talks back to Interplay for check-in and check into your shared storage solution as well.